So welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Mongil star dive game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, low FPS or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. Well, the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after going to Epic Store, you have to search for the game over here. Now after searching for the game, you just have to go below, and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. So make sure your PC have all the required specs, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to modify launch option. For that, launch Epic Games. After that, go to the library section. Here you have to select your game, click on three dot icon, click on manage, and here you can see launch option. Enable it, and here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if the problem is resolved. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, remove the launch option over here and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game file. So for that you have to go to Epic Games, under library section, select your game, click on three dot icon, click on manage, and here you can see verify option. You simply have to click on verify option and this will verify. Wait for some time. Once the game files is verified, now try to launch the game and check whether the game is launching or not. Next is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to run game as administrator. So for that you have to go to the file explorer, go to the Epic Games folder. Here is the game application. So select the game application, right click on it, click on properties. Under compatibility, here you have to select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if the game is opening or not. If not, again come back. Here you have to select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or previous version Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if the game is opening now. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. So search for the game over here. So if you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application over here, add it to the list. Now after adding it, here you have to select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and check. Next is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. So sometimes overclocking makes the CPU or GPU unstable. So you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. This will help you to fix the problem. Next is check graphics settings of the game. So if you are able to launch the game, then due to the graphics settings, most of the time the game crashes or suffer from other issues. So you should check the graphic settings like texture quality, resolution, etc. that directly impacts the game. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issue. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now here you under background processes tab, you have to check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select it, right click on it and click on end task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for settings. After that, click on Windows update and then click on check for updates option. So it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to run the game as dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for settings. After that, here you have to search for graphic settings. Open it and here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application over here. Now after adding the game to the list, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference you have to select high performance and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having an antivirus program, that it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. Somewhere the antivirus program blocks the game and you cannot play. So it's suggested to check the settings of that particular program or disable it to play the game hassle free. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that I have already provided this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser, or even you can search for Visual C++ files in Google. Now once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, once the file is downloaded, you have to open it. So after opening, you will get repair or install option. Click on repair and wait for some time. Once the setup progress is successful, close this. Now restart your PC. Once your PC starts, log into the game once again and then check. Next is to increase virtual memory. For that, go to the Windows search for View Advanced System Settings. Click on Settings, click on Advanced, click on Change. Select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select Custom Size. In the initial size, type 12288, and in the maximum size, type 24576. Now click on Set and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and then check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Mongil Start Dive game. So for that, you have to go to Epic Games. Under Library section, select your game, click on 3-dot icon, click on Uninstall, and finally click on Uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Epic Games and search for the game, and after that click on the install button, and once it is installed, click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or not, or opening or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Mongil Start Dive game: crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, low FPS issue on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.